Alright everyone, I want to show everyone how to sharpen a chain on the chainsaw, and hopefully we can focus in here with this camera on these teeth, of course. It's gonna be hard to explain if I can't get this thing to focus. But anyway, the basic idea you want is, yeah, I'm back by the line already, chain's done, but you could still use it. And it's really gonna be hard to see in the video, but there's burr marks on the tops of the teeth. I hit some dirt. So what I'm gonna do and what I want to achieve is a clean line across the top of this tooth. When you dull your chain out, sometimes you'll see that the top of this tooth is like kind of ground down, or like it's been ground down. Well, you want that clean edge to that original surface again. And what I mean by clean edge is when you sharpen this, let's see if we can get this tooth in particular. Do you see that little silver line above the black line? That's where the chain is dull. Now, I've gotten most of it away, but some of it's still there. You basically want to get rid of that. When you get down this far on the chain, it's really hard to do because the tooth is so low that you're already now cutting into the other links and weakening the stability of the entire chain. But for a beater or just something to go cut firewood with, a chain like this is still usable. And that's how you sharpen a teeth. That's what you want to go for. Sharpen teeth on a chainsaw. Any size, any make, any model. Have a good day, folks. Stay warm. Be safe out there. Talk to you soon. Like and subscribe if you want some more of this.